Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing FabFitFun's starter box unboxing. As you probably noticed, I have done quite a few of these. I think I've done 3 with all different variations. So my mother-in-law actually picked this up and I asked her if I could do a quick unboxing to show everybody what is in the new FabFitFun starter box. So just to let you know, the starter box is the starting to a subscription for FabFitFun. So you, in order to get it, you have to have someone send it to you through an email. That person has to be a member of FabFitFun, which not everybody gets them. Apparently, if you're annual, you will get I think 5, and seasonal gets 3, but it just sometimes depends. One season I won't get them, and the next season I'll get 6, which is really weird. But so they send it to you. All you have to do is you have to pay $8 American to have it shipped to Canada, or $5 American to have it shipped to the United States. It comes with over $200 worth of items, so it's really fun. It's only about 4 items, I believe. I like them. They always come with something different and something new, with usually with each season, but not always. So with that being said, you have 21 days from the time you grab the box to cancel. If you don't, you will get that season's or the next season, if it's sold out, box, and you will be charged full price, $49.99 for that box plus $8 to ship to Canada. If you don't, what I would suggest is you can grab the box and you do everything to set up your account, and then you can go in and you can cancel it right away, and they will still send you a shipping email with the details of your box. Well, you know, your shipping details. Right now, I will let everyone know that they did have a huge, massive glitch in their system. They apparently opened a new warehouse, and their emails somehow got lost, the tracking information. So I just woke up to this morning saying that I was supposed to get my edit stuff, but now they've extended the date to the 6th. And if I want a refund, just to let them know. I just ignored it because I got my stuff except for my one edit sale. So I'm guessing that that will be coming, hopefully one of the mystery bundles in the next week. But this intro is almost 3 minutes long, so let's get into unboxing this. So it comes like this. It says, a note from us. At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include more products. Happy unboxing. So it does show me what is in the box. It says here, are we friends yet? You get a little magazine. I believe I got one, something like this, in my spring box, my summer box. I just uploaded my post summer box, the edit box, and I just was like, I don't know, I kept wanting to call it my spring box because I am not ready for summer to be over. Alright, so it's actually kind of nice, and it's like has stuff like this. I really like this one. It says fill in and share. How the box is curated, horoscopes, and quiz yourself. So that's great. So it says share to win, FabFitFun. I always want to call it FunFitFab or something. I don't know. I always screw it up. Okay, so on the back of this, it does tell me what is in the box. So the first item I see is Dr. Brandt Skincare, Needles No More, No More Baggage, Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduce the look of under eye baggage and dark circle with this breakthrough solution. So I actually already have this, and I'm not sure, maybe I was putting it on wrong. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not going to open this up. I'm not really keen on it, so I think maybe what I'll do, because my mother-in-law did give me the box, so how about we do a giveaway for this? So to win it, like this video, comment. I don't know, comment yes, I'll take it. And share this video and try and so yes, sorry, so like, share, comment, and I will do a draw on that with my fall box. I'll do this one and the oh, I have it here now. Oops. There it is. Sorry guys. And don't forget, I have a contest going on for 1 or 2 of these. So anyway, so that is valued at $42. Ouch. So the next item I see, which I absolutely am ecstatic about, is the Away leave-in conditioner. This conditioner works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhance heat protection. So that's awesome. Actually, I just used the Amika hair brush from the spring summer edit box, and I love it. It made my hair so soft, so manageable. Oh, it dried my hair and it left it like how I wanted it to. So we'll see if it falls out. My hair like falls out really easy. Like when I curl it under, it like 2 hours later I'll be like, and I'm like, really? Okay. So anyway, that was worth $26. So I'm gonna go to the Summer and Rose Celine Trinket Dish. Keep your baubles in one place. The ceramic trinket dish holds small jewelry and instantly elevates any vanity with its gold detailing. Value of $22. So I'll definitely be using this. I don't have anything like this. I'm not that kind of person, so I will. Ooh. It is really, really cute. I'll probably actually even keep it down here on my little desk here. That is beautiful. I really, really like that. Ooh. So I'll put that here. And then the last item I see was the item I was actually most excited to see in this is the Diff Cruise sunglasses. Aviators are such a classic style, made of stainless steel and black and gray reading glasses. The sleek pair will complete any face or shape. Valued at $86. So let's see here. That's 107. 107 plus 26 is, oh, I work today. I'm usually pretty good with numbers, not words. Don't get me wrong, I can't do words. So, I apparently cannot count because the camera's on right now. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, 42 plus 26 is 68, plus 22 is 68, plus 22 is 90, plus 85. So 175, roughly? That's not bad. I mean, that's not bad at all. So let's see how these sunglasses look, if they're worth their value. Oh, that is awesome. I'm constantly losing my sunglasses and my daughter likes to play with them, so I love that. Right there. Okay. Oh, and it comes with a cleaning cloth. Oh, how cute. Let's see if they, oh, look at that. Oh, these are packaged up really, really nice. You can tell it by Walmart brand, so. I do like the Foster Grant sunglasses. I find them the best for me. I seem to like use those until like they die. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, those don't look too bad. I kind of like this. That's actually, I really like it. I'm really impressed. I have to admit, I didn't think I would actually like those. Wow. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be putting those in the car and using them. So anyway, oops. Let's see if I can put them in properly. There we go. And we'll put in the little cleaning cloth. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, guys, so let's see here. So there's the 4 items. I have to say, this is definitely worth the $8. I mean, you can probably get this somewhere cheaper if you like, but I really, really love that. The OA hair care, well, I'll definitely be using that between my daughter, me, and my other daughter. I have 2 daughters. We'll be using this, that's for sure. I'm going to do this as a giveaway because I already have it. So if you want this, comment yes, I would love this, I would love to try it, I would love it. Share my videos. The more people that sign up, the more I will give away when I get my fall box. So there, and my sunglasses, I'm really impressed with the sunglasses, I have to admit. That's just pretty awesome. So if you don't know, if you sign up now, I will leave my link below. You will get $10 off using my code. I am trying to become a FabFitFun affiliate, so the more people that sign up using my code, the more chances I'll get. So if you were really considering it and you want to take that dive, then please, 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 I beg you to use my code. You get $10 off. I do get $15 in credit, but FabFitFun will start to take notice if I start to you know, get people to sign up. I do not have any boxes to send out right now, but if you do want one, let me know. I will see what I can do. I usually get 3. It might be after fall, so maybe I'll put that on the fall box. When I get the fall box. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you want this. And if you go back and watch my other video, you will see that I'm giving away this. So go comment on that video, like it, and share it, and let's see if I can get some more subscribers. I'm trying to get up to 600, so I might put up a contest for once I get to 600 subscribers. Thanks, everybody.